Hello everyone, Ray Gamer here, and welcome back to another Roblox video. In today's video, we are checking out Tech Demo World. Once again, this is another update video for JSM More Testing World. We're going to be checking out what has changed. So as you can see, the name tags, for example, have changed with the new, well, the icons are not new, but the backgrounds are new. And everything else might be the same, I'm not too sure. And you can see we've got some changes. We've got cars in here now, and there's a lot that's changed. Well, changes have already been made a while ago, just haven't been able to make an update video. Again, if you guys want to go check this game out, I will leave the link to it in the description if you'd like to go play this. But anyways, enough about that. So let's go ahead and do a map first, show around what has changed. So as you can see, definitely a lot has changed. We have a road, we got street lights, we got trees. They were not here before. We got a car place there for the drive-thru system, and some other things. So let's go ahead and go inside. The doors are now always open now. So we got same fire alarms, the same. Pretty much everything's the same. Oh, I don't think this was working, but it is working now. So if I open this, this is what it was. Got settings. You can type a message in all or HR. Alright. And then, yep, alright, let's go over here. So, yes, we got the rules and all that. Unfortunately, this board isn't working. We are looking into getting it fixed, so that way this board is working again. Alright, and then of course we've got this, which is nothing's changed with that. And then we'll go into the VIP room, which nothing has really changed apart from the staff room door, which was changed back. And then as you can see, we're in this room now, the staff room. Fire alarm panel, out of order sign. The self-checkouts, as you can see. Let's go out of that. Let's go over to this side. Let's start with the bank. So pretty much everything is the same, I believe. Yep. This, that, yep, this is pretty much the same. That's just if you want more cash. DRS ATM switch. Oh, this one is not working. That don't worry, that sometimes happens where sometimes the equipment doesn't start properly. Got that, which is not changed. These, which is unchanged. Of course, we got this, which is not changed. Oh, and here we've got, I think this used to be Easy POS Voco, but it's now been changed to EasyLink. So let me show you what this does. So if I put a headset on, it comes up in here. We open this. Now this is brand new. Ooh, as you can see, so we've got general, example. Now the example is to show that you can have different chat rooms. And then of course we've got a battery function. We've got a battery now on this one, which the other ones do not have. So I guess I believe what happens is once the battery runs out, I believe it returns, I think, to this. I don't know. I haven't tested out what happens when that happens yet. We can type a message, of course. So if I say hello. Ooh, that made a bit of a lot of noise. Let me try that again. I'll just say hello test. Ooh. Okay. I guess that's how it is. So yeah, it shows display name and username, rank, of course, and your avatar as well. Oh, and then of course we've got summon users, which basically you can send a request and they can accept, and then they can see a waypoint above your head. I can't show you this, for example, because I need another person for that. And then we've got your settings, so you can mute the channels if you want, if you don't want to hear messages. We got voice settings. We've got mute the voice chat. Use that. Use a keybind to use the voice chat feature. This one has voice chat support on it. And then you can turn off, if you don't want the request, you can go to here and turn the request off if you don't want it on. And then this up there just closes the chat. Oh, and if you hold the microphone icon, or by holding press and hold the C key, it will the microphone will light up green. It says voice chat. Anything you say in voice chat is being shown to everyone in this channel. Please note, regular players can still hear if they're around you. So basically it means if I hold this, if I turned on my Roblox voice chat, basically right now when I'm talking, they will hear me from anywhere, even from very far away, like standing like at the drive-thru or something, which we'll get to the drive-thru in a second. Yeah, and they can hear you from anywhere. So if you have it on, but if you then they can't, of course. But yeah, this is pretty much EasyLink, and you can actually return the headset by doing this. I guess it doesn't want to work. I guess that is a bug. That it doesn't want. What it's supposed to do was it returns it, and this disappears. But I guess that's not working. Sorry, just had to reset so that way we could get rid of the UI on the screen. All right. Anyway, oh yeah, here's another new product. We got Easy Reviews. So for Easy Reviews, basically you come up to one of these. If you click the screen, if you want to leave a review about the game, and then you click on it, and it will zoom you in on the UI. You click on one of the faces of how things went. So I'll just do one for example, and then how can we improve for next time. You can add a message if you want to, or you can just submit it without a message. But here I'll just I'll put a message into it like this game is great, or this game is good, is good is good, kind of like, or something like that. And then I submit that. It says thank you for submitting the feedback. And then yeah, basically, yeah, and then us staff members will bring that back, get that feedback. All right, so that was the review system. Let's go to the basement floor now, because this has changed. The office doors and the fire exits are now down here, and we got the JSM iTab gates down here as well. We got the single gates and the 2-gate versions. And then of course we got the new Auto Pro V2 downstairs as well. And then of course the API controller for it as well by Tech Demo World. Now you can change it by using the panel here and this one on here. And yeah, that's pretty much everything downstairs. So now we're going to go back upstairs and we're going to go to demo room 3. So not much has changed in here apart from some new signs explaining what things are for each screen. Oh, and of course we've got the keypad version of the reader here, which I have put on a door right here, which there's also a doorbell connected to it, so it plays a sound, as I will show you right now. I can show you the code because it's just literally 1, 2, 3, 4, which I can obviously show. Let me go ahead and wait for this to close, and then I'll do the doorbell. That's the doorbell example. And yeah, that's pretty much what's changed in demo room 3. So now we're going to go to the cafe area, which has had a bit of a change since last video. We've got new tables and chairs. And some changes over here too. We got the DRS restaurant POS in here. We got a new, as you can see, new drinks, new coffee drinks and all that for the JSM, for these JSM tills there. We've got the restaurant system, which you use the admin card and just do that and just order something and then close them. Then we got the JSM Cafe Light, I think. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And then of course we got Easy POS Cafe as well, which the only thing changed, I believe, there's been some changes to this, which does that, including over here we have a drive-thru system, which does work, which over here, which I'll just do this, show you. They've got a drive-thru system now, which is awesome. So we'll show you how this works. Well, once we get a car for that. So we'll close that. And then we got DPOS restaurant as well. And then we got this over here as well, which is pretty much the same. Just used to be over there, but now it's over here. Alright, next we're going to check out demo room 2, which pretty much not much has changed apart from a new fire exit door that's over here, and of course the extra DRS systems, one showing the card only versions, one which is the bigger scanner, and the other one using the mini scanner, and of course with the other different EFT readers as well, rather than the default one. Other than that, that's all that's changed. And then of course in here we've had some changes in here as well. Got all that. We got DPOS self-checkouts here. Got this as well. We got JSM self-checkouts. Got this again. The attendance stations for the DRS self-checkouts. And then we got scan as you shop on DRS. We got these self-checkouts too. The items that you can use to test. And then we got this, which it looks like it's not working, but should be when you rejoin, I think. Price checker as well. And that's pretty much it for that room. And then we got the restrooms as well. Then outside, of course. And oh yeah, that's right. I was about to say I've covered everything, but I forgot. We've got the cars. So if you want to teleport, you can just do this, and it'll teleport you to the building. And this is where you can get a car. Let's go for an SUV. Might be a little hard to control the cars, but alright, this is the drive-thru system. I know it's on the wrong side, but not much we can do about that. So then basically we order, as the customer, we just order what we want, and then once we're done, we pay for it here, and then go here to collect the order. And then click the order and then just drive like this. Like that, just around in a circle. And it does despawn as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright everyone, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next video or live stream. Bye bye!